Good morning, middle school flyers. Happy Friday, April 24th, and welcome to the first edition of our Middle School Moments video update. Consider this like the school announcements in the morning, but enhanced for your viewing pleasure. So let's get this thing started. We do have a couple of announcements. Students in grades 6 through 8, if you would like to play a fall sport, you should have received an email with instructions from Mr. Plants yesterday. He's our athletic director because signups have begun. If you do not see that email, please contact the school and we will help you out. April 22nd was the 50th anniversary of Global Earth Day, and in conjunction with that, Miss Dodds challenged her 7th graders to do something earth-friendly to honor that day. So, as an example, Miss Dodds and her son went out along the roadway by their house and picked up trash. Let's extend that challenge to the entire middle school. Find something that you can do to make the earth just a little happier. And if you want, send pictures to Miss Dodds and she will put together a slideshow to share with what everybody did. Birthdays. We don't have any birthdays today, but we will have one tomorrow. So happy birthday to Taylor Noble, grade 7. And during our closure, we've missed a lot of announcements. So let's go back to the beginning. March 15th, we had Earl Sweeney, grade 5. March 16th, Boston Colette Allen, grade 5 as well. March 18th, Cassidy Addison, grade 8. March 19th, Noah Moncrief, grade 5. Bo Persick, grade 8. And James Wilson, grade 8. And on March 20th, we had Chase Cups, grade 7, and Aiden Harris, grade 5. Happy belated birthday to each one of you. Now to our shout out segment. The first shout out comes from me and goes to Emily and Crystal Storin. They both contacted me yesterday by email just to say hi, ask me how I was doing, and with the sole purpose of putting a smile on my face. For that, I say thank you, and mission accomplished. I enjoyed that and it made me smile. Next up, Mrs. Sullivan would like to give a shout out to Jaron Garrow and Ethan Parker for completing every assignment so far during our distance learning. And she wanted to highlight every. So great job, gentlemen. Mr. Rish would like to give a shout out to Juliana Allen and Ronald Stickney, who he says are two students who are often the first to get their work in for that day. Thank you to all our shout out recipients for being fantastic flyers. Today in history, I found one interesting event that occurred on April 24th back in 1184 BC. The Greeks entered Troy using the Trojan horse. So if you're not familiar with that event, I encourage you to take a few moments today and look that up. Joke of the day. I had a lot of requests for jokes of the day, so here's the first one. Why did a middle school student stare at the automobile's radio? He wanted to watch a cartoon. Yes, that is hilarious. My wife thought it was cute, but she didn't get it yesterday. Fun fact of the day. Did you know that Maine is the only state that has a one-syllable name? That's pretty interesting. And let's finish up with our trivia question of the day. Today's question is courtesy of Mr. Rish. In keeping with our states theme, what two states are bordered by 8 other states? What two states are bordered by 8 other states? And before you get on Google to look that up, try to visualize the pictures of the states map of the United States and try to come up with the answer on your own first. Then by all means, check to see if you are right. But tune in on Monday for the answer if you did not find out. Well, if you are still here, thank you for making it to the end of our first video update. And I think I need a little bit of help. So students, if you would like to contribute to anything, one of our segments, you have an idea that would make this video update a little more enjoyable to watch, I welcome your suggestions. So until Monday, have a great day, enjoy your weekend, and know that you are missed by all. You are what make our middle school the best school around. Have a good day.